we have to check if the statements are true or false. Let me rewrite. For example, we have 32.5021 is greater than 32.5201. How we do this? First, we have to check the first two digits. The whole number is 32, next is decimal point, 32 decimal point. So we have the same whole number, 32 and 32. So what we will do next? We have to check how many digits we have after decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same. So let's forget about decimal point, and we have just 3, 2, 5, 0, 2, 1. And on the right side we have 3, 2, 5, 2, 0, 1. And now we just compare the digits. We start from the left side. We have 3 and 3, the same. 2 and 2. 5 and 5. 0 and 2. What it means? 0 is less than 2. So 2 is greater, we can say, than 0. So it means we should have here the sign like this. It means that number 32.5021 is less than number 32.5201. Let me write this. 32.5021 is less than 32.5201. What it means? That the statement is false. Next example. First, let me rewrite our two decimal numbers. We have 7.4912, and we have that this number, decimal number, is greater than 7.491. What we have to do first? First, we just check the first number. The whole number is 7. Next, we have decimal point, 7 decimal points. The whole number is 7 and 7. They are the same. Next, we have to check how many digits we have after decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So we will add 1 digit to the second decimal number. We need to have the same number of digits after decimal point on the left side and on the right side. Next step, we will rewrite our two numbers without decimal points. So we have 74912 and we have 74910. And now what we will do, we will compare the digits. We have 7, 7, the same, 4, 4, 9, 9, 1, 1, and we have 2 and 0. Which number is greater? 2 is greater than 0. It means the number on the left side is greater than the number on the left side is greater than the number on the right side. What it means? That 7.4912 is greater than 7.491. We don't have to write the 0 which I add. What it means? That the statement is true. This is my solution.